This screencast is to show you how to access PlayPosit and how to search for and edit an existing bulb if you would like to use an existing bulb on PlayPosit for a whole group. So the first thing you need to know is that PlayPosit is a Schoology app, meaning you have to be in Schoology in order to utilize the app. So you would go ahead and sign into your CR Schoology account. You have to be signed in as Google, with Google already on Google Chrome, and then go ahead and sign into your CR Schoology account. Then down this left column, you'll see a variety of applications. You may not have even noticed they were here. At the very bottom, just above the Schoology access code, you'll see one for PlayPosit, and you'll notice this little blue dachshund right there. If you click on it, it usually asks you if you want to allow PlayPosit to have access, and you would just go ahead and click accept. Because I've already been on it today, it didn't have that step in there, but go ahead and click accept. It then shows you all of the Schoology courses that you have. Once you click them once, you don't have to click them again, as you can see. Like if I want to click it and add that, I can, but once it's clicked, it's clicked. But once you've clicked whatever classes you want students to have access to, or courses that you want to use through PlayPosit, you only have to do it once. Beyond that, you can just go ahead and click the dash button at the top. And this is your primary dashboard for PlayPosit. On the far left, you'll see your name and the access code that you would share with students in order to put in a PlayPosit bulb, in order to share a bulb if you didn't have pre-existing classes, much like you would share a Schoology course number and invite people into a Schoology course. I would strongly recommend that once you get started, you fill out the profile, you click on it, it's going to ask you a handful of questions about what you teach, just so it can help filter the bulbs because there's so many of them. Here, starting with the next button to the right, is a button that houses all of your pre-existing bulbs that you have saved. As you can see, I just have one right now, and we're going to take a look at that one in a moment. But you can see under the Bulbs tab, here's your dashboard. We're under the Bulbs tab, and these are the existing bulbs, my bulbs. If you would like to search for a new bulb, you can click Pre-Made Bulbs, and you can search for any topic you want. So let's say, for example, you are an English teacher and you would like to view pre-made bulbs on pronouns. Some of these actually are showing up as Spanish pronouns, so you may want to clarify and say, I want to see pre-made bulbs involving pronouns just for English. And then you'll see it has filtered the bulbs once again. Once you find a bulb that looks interesting to you, you would go ahead and click the Info button. The Info button gives you information about the bulb, such as the grade level, a brief statement about what the bulb covers, how many views it has, and it gives you the opportunity to preview that bulb. If you'd like to use it after previewing it, you can go ahead and click Use, Copy, and then it will add that bulb to your initial button that we looked on for My Bulb. So I'll show you. If we go back to here was the original bulb that I had on my dashboard, and now here is the additional bulb for pronouns. Once you take a look at a bulb, let's take a closer look at it. It shows you, we'll go ahead and pause that. It shows you the questions that are embedded in the bulb already, and you can sort of preview them. If you highlight these little hash marks within the play bar, it'll highlight the different questions, as you can see. It'll give you opportunities to crop the video, add questions, and when you're all finished, you can go ahead and when you say finish build, whatever edits that you've made, it'll automatically save it for you. Another great feature is you can click up at the top here for lesson analytics, and it'll give you a little bit of a breakdown of the quality of that bulb and the kinds of questions that are there and the kind of feedback that you're going to get. So if you just wanted to use this as a whole group tool and select a pre-made bulb that already has questions embedded in it, this would be the way to go. It's very easy. The bulbs are already made. The questions are already there. All you would have to do is just preview it. In fact, you can even print out the worksheet for students. So if you are going to be absent, this might be a great alternative to leave for a substitute so that students could view a video and still have some feedback and accountability. So thanks for watching.